Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dea Agustin. I will explain about the impact of climate change on crop yields and food security. What is climate change? Climate change in the average winters that or change in the distribution of central winters event. This condition does not occur in a short time, but is a change in the distribution of winter in the long term, lasting tens to hundreds or even millions of years. And then the causes of climate change. Due to increasing greenhouse gas emission caused by human activities, climate change has triggered extreme weather change, increases in global average temperature, and change in rain patterns. It is important to understand the capacity of climate change impact on agricultural yields and food security to implement effective strategies to reduce the impact of climate change and ensure sustainable food intake for future generations. The result of climate change on crop yields can be seen from various sides. The climate change that is occurring has the first impact on crop yields. The most significant impact of climate change on crop yields is change in rainfall patterns. In Indonesia, change in rainfall may be the biggest threat, as most farmers depend directly on rain for their agricultural activities and livelihoods. Any change in rainfall poses a major rise. For example, prolonged drought or excessive rainfall can lead to weather shortage or flooding, both of which can disrupt crop growth and development. In addition, changes in rainfall patterns can disrupt pollination and fertilization process, affecting crop reproduction and yields. And secondly, to food security. One of the significant impact of climate change on food security is the decline in agricultural productivity and crop yields. In Indonesia, food security is still quite vulnerable, as seen from the large number of hunger. Rising temperature and changing rainfall patterns describe the balance required for successful crop development, which in turn leads to decreased yields and reduced food availability. Then, what strategies can be done to prevent this from happening? Strategies that can be implemented. A possible strategy is to develop and adopt disease resistant crop varieties by identifying and combining genes responsible for drought tolerance, heat and pest resistant crop varieties with improved resilience can be developed. In addition, the adoption of these resilient crop varieties by farmers can increase yield and reduce crop vulnerability to climate-related risks. Overall, the development and adoption of disease-resistant crop varieties is a promising approach to ensuring food security in the face of climate change. On, on the other hand, there must be someone who can play a policy role to minimize the impact of climate change. The step of playing a role policy. First, the government needs to invest in research and development to encourage, encourage the adoption of climate smart technologies in agriculture. This includes the use of drought and disease resistant crop varieties, appropriate farming technique, and sustainable irrigation system. Second, policymakers should prioritize building climate resilient infrastructure, such as improving storage facilities and transportation networks. This will help reduce post-harvest losses and ensure food supply cans are reliable even during extreme weather. Thank you. That's all the presentation that I can convey. Please apologize if there is any mistake.